finally had a very generous friend of ours, in the person of Mr. Jun Eugenio, who has solicited the generosity of our big boss here, Abu Ahmed. And so this tennis court was constructed. And the Tikapni Tennis Club that has evolved recently is very thankful. We also from you, Abu Ahmed, for having allowed us to have this tennis court to play in your facilities, and hopefully we will have another court.
Video pa rin. Video para maganda.
Sponsor. From Mr. Darman, as we said, from the old good old AOC days up to the KBO days, where we had the three tennis courts there. Until now, we owe so much from you, and hopefully by helping us lobby to management, we can have another permanent facility in KBO. What else? As I was saying, this is a single stop.
Oh, dito.
It will last from today up to November 7 in a multiple round robin system. And after the tournament, we will be seeded. The seeding will be established, ranking the very first player to the last player. And this will be a daily event. As scheduled, we will have 4 games a day. And then after this tournament, probably we will be organizing the first doubles tournament of the Tikapni Tennis Club. So thank you all for, especially Sir Abu Ahmed and Mr. Darman. Thank you for coming and gracing this occasion. Thank you.
Mark, I just want to add one special agreement now with Mr. Darman regarding the support of CBD to provide us tennis balls.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Also, according to Mr. Darman, he will donate 3 big trophies and medals.
Yes.
Medals,
Yes.
which is now available in the store of CBD.
Yes.
And another announcement, according to Mr. Darman, that tennis court of Kidjo is within
1 year.
next year. There will be tennis courts in the future in Kidjo next year, according to Mr. Darman.
Mr. President, this reminds me of another request. How about the old utilities, or
You have just mentioned.
the benches,
He told me tomorrow to go to his office.
It's already. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Otiking. Abu Ahmed, I'm the other
The
one.
next part of the program, with the indulgence of is a word from our big boss here, and then it will be followed by a word from Mr. Darman. And then the third part will be the oath taking of players. Dave,
Okay.
anything, sir.
No, you can just say any words for inspirational words.
Start and enjoy yourself.
Thank you. How about Mr. Darman? Can you see a few?
Any few words for us?
I think with those pledges, that's more than
That's more than enough.
million words. And thank you.
Okay.
Okay, picture taking.
Can we have some picture taking?
Picture taking in your presence.
Sa kabila, sa kabila.
Here, sir.